This is the NewsRamp Cryptocurrency Podcast. It's Friday evening, May 8th, 2026. The stories are real, the voice is AI. Read more at newsramp.com. First, a note from our sponsor. Newscrafters.com puts you in the news creation business. Yield your online authority today with AI-assisted Newscrafters.com news curation. Here's what's making news.
XRP index to be published on Moscow Exchange. The Moscow Exchange plans to introduce an official index tracking XRP prices, signaling a move to expand its presence in the crypto market. This development has caught the attention of leading firms like Circle Internet Group Inc., as it could pave the way for deeper penetration of crypto products.
Crypto firms urge lawmakers to act as compromise is reached on bill. Crypto firms are urging U.S. South lawmakers to act swiftly as a compromise on new stablecoin rules is reached. Industry leaders view this as a positive step and are calling for Congress to move the bill through the Senate Banking Committee without delay. The outcome of the upcoming vote will significantly impact the regulation of stablecoins in the United States, with companies like Coinbase Global Inc. closely monitoring the developments.
Crypto stocks climb as progress is made on Clarity Act. Crypto stocks saw a rise on Monday, May 4th, as progress was made on the Clarity Act, boosting shares tied to crypto. This positive trend was supported by a surge in Bitcoin prices and renewed optimism around U.S. South regulation. Entities like Bullish are likely to benefit from this improved sentiment, potentially lifting the industry back onto a faster track.
Mission IR news breaks. SolarWind Holdings unit AX Coin signs MOU with Singapore Gulf Bank. SolarWind Holdings subsidiary Gulf Bank AX Coin Bahrain has signed an MOU with Singapore Gulf Bank in Asia and the Middle East. The agreement aims to integrate AX Coin's stablecoin platform with SGB's banking networks for cross-border settlement solutions and institutional-grade payment rails for corporate clients. For more information, visit http://ibn.fm/http.
Winners Inc. selected as a leading startup to showcase its AI-driven predictive sports analytics platform, Mibu.com at Consensus Miami 2026. Winners Inc. has been chosen as a top startup to present its AI-powered predictive sports analytics platform, Mibu.com at Consensus Miami 2026. The event, running from May 5th to 7th at the Miami Beach Convention Center, will feature Winners Inc. alongside other industry leaders like CoinDesk, BitGo, and PayPal, showcasing their innovative approach to predictive modeling in sports and digital assets markets.
Crypto news breaks. Forward Industries Inc. invests in OnRay and plans $25 million deployment into tokenized reinsurance platform. Forward Industries Inc. made a strategic investment in on-chain reinsurance company OnRay, committing up to $25 million into OnRay's yield-bearing token ONYC on Solana. This move expands Forward Industries' treasury strategy into tokenized real-world assets and diversified income streams. For more information, visit the company's newsroom.
Canada considers banning crypto ATMs as fraud cases rise. Canada is considering banning crypto ATMs as fraud cases rise. The country, known for hosting the first Bitcoin ATM in 2013, may remove these machines. Entities like Cantor Equity Partners Inc. will likely monitor this development. Entities like Cantor Equity Partners Inc. will likely monitor this development, which could have global implications if other jurisdictions follow suit.
Okay, thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Cryptocurrency Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.